FMCG meant a lot for me, and to be comfortable in a career and to be good at it also are very rare combinations, and you made it happen. Hello, I'm Vagisha Sharma. I did my MBA from IIM Lucknow. I did my internship with Unilever Mumbai, and then I was very fortunate enough to join Nestle. Okay, so this memory is still vivid with me. I had secured internship with HUL, and somewhere I don't know, I got jitters, and there is a lot of competition because HUL is like the most prestigious, the best. To get an internship there. So I had put pressure on myself that how will I be able to ace my internship? I had heard about Craftchala because the mailers used to come, and I landed on the website, and I still remember there was a scroll which used to go from top to bottom and then bottom to top. And that inspired me a lot. And somewhere I just enrolled with that course. So the main part was talking about consumers. So my project was with Command team, which was by 3M, on the decoration of the room. Now, when I went to different people's rooms, 20-minute call scheduled to 40 minutes, 50 minutes, and I just didn't get the consumer insight. I also got the aspects of their behavior, their family background, which shaped their personality, which reflected in their room. And I think somewhere I felt good that I am a person who could talk to people longer, which is all sales and marketing is also about talking to different kind of people. And secondly, the frameworks. I mean, everything starts from consumer. Just pick up the consumer, put yourself in their shoes, get the consumer inside. Those are the same frameworks which currently, when I was in my marketing stint, were applied. Sticking to deadlines is also one of the very good thing which Craftchala taught me, because that's what we follow in Nestle. I still remember I used to talk to my buddy that I have my midterms, can I submit one day late? And she was also like, but it'll have an impact on your score, which is in the real world. You cannot miss deadlines. Craftchala also taught me to narrow down problems. So this is one thing where, prioritizing, and so many segments are created, so many solutions are created. They taught me how to pinpoint those one or two solutions. So I'll be very candid. I had just 2-3 goals in MBA, and I wanted to go for student exchange, which was Europe trip. And it has the criteria of how much CG you should get from each club and committee. So I didn't apply for any clubs and committee. Plus, I had worked on these fests in my undergraduate college. So I was done with my extracurriculars and PORs. So definitely I knew what kind of skills they give. But the Craftchala one is more professional one, I would say. I felt like I was working with like 3M Command team. I had an ownership of that brand. So this is something which you actually work upon, and which actually will get you salary when you will be working. So it was a very different kind of experience, a very professional one. The moment I got the PPI, HUL PPI, that time also I was in touch. When PPO didn't come, that time also I was in touch. When I had other shortlist apart from marketing, I had consult shortlist. Then also I got so much material for consult prep, because they didn't leave me there and then. Your work is done, the scores have come, and my score was the highest in brand building. So they were really appreciative of the fact, and I got Nestle PPI through Craftchala only. So, and I was keen on it. I wanted FMCG, and I think Craftchala knew my weaknesses as well, because I had practically spoken to people and cried about my dreams and ambitions, that I want to do marketing. So they were always there with me. I never felt that it's not my part of my life. Okay, so in HUL, in my summer internship, we were taken out for consumer workshop where we went to different homes. So there I knew what consumer insight is, how to frame it. The other thing which happened in my internship was how I used to give analogies of the things I used to observe, which I learned from the archetypes and the personality frameworks in Craftchala course. Thirdly was the management. So Craftchala's course was also virtual, and right now the work from home is also virtual, and a marketing stint was also virtual. So I was able to understand and apply those frameworks, because I was creating a framework in my brand also, and simultaneously work with brand operations. So I think I was able to manage my time well as compared to another management trainees. I felt super strong and I came out really happy. what I would suggest is, if you want to do a hands-on project where you want to do in stages, where you want to get a feedback, go for it, because it is a project which is very much thought through and it's a live project. Those are actually happening in the industry. I think the problem statement might solve something. Moreover, take time for it. I wouldn't say just take it for the sake of adding a point in your CV or adding a score. If you'll do well, the score will automatically come, but you'll get a very good hands-on experience. Secondly, your knowledge for basic frameworks and consumer insight, which is what everything in marketing depends upon, will increase by leaps and bounds. You will not look at consumer problems the way you used to look at before. Need, want, everything will get very clarified. So if you want to give yourself an edge with respect to other candidates in your campus who are also claimed to be marketing enthusiasts, this is something which will add